What's going on, y'all? My name is Josh with Federal Brace. All of you DIYers, home builders, contractors, whoever you might be, I'm gonna create a video from start to finish on how to install our Freedom hidden countertop bracket. Let's get started. So a couple of items that you're gonna need for your installation. First, to start out, you have your framing, your cabinet, and on the inside, you may not have any sort of framing. You might have your 2x4 on the top, but we're gonna install this on the inside, which is the most common reason why a lot of our customers like to use the L bracket, just for minimal framing. And so we have this 2x4 here, and we're gonna install it on the inside of this cabinet. And this is gonna be just a standard 1x4 that you're gonna use for that. And then from there, you're gonna need a drill, 3/16 inch bit, as well as your standard drill for a standard screw, and then 4 wood screws, as well as your leveler. You're also gonna need a router for routing out the top section of your cabinet and your Freedom countertop rack. So you have your cabinet and it doesn't have any framing on the inside. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take a 1x4 or a small board so that you can beef up the inside of your cabinet. And this is oftentimes, like for European style cabinets, you don't want to do a whole lot of framing. So this is a good solution for that. I'm going to go ahead and tie this wood piece in. You want to kind of go along the center so you don't get any splitting of the wood. Should be good just to hold it in place, and then I'm going to go ahead and follow up with a few more wood screws, and you should be good to go with the framing. Next step that you're going to want to do is make sure you measure the size or the width of the bracket. Mark the locations of the width of the bracket along the top side of the framing, as well as the outside of the cabinetry. And you're also going to want to measure the depth or the width of the material. The Freedoms come in different thicknesses. The smaller Freedoms are 1/4 inch. Basically, all you really need to do from here is just get a level, make sure that it is level. You may want to put a couple pilot holes into the framing and then tie in your Freedom bracket. Right on the dot, right on the button. So from here, just go ahead and mark your drill holes. With the larger and the smaller size Freedoms, again, we have this bracket from 8 inches all the way up to 20 inches. So you want to make sure that you are taking into account how many holes there are. For the larger brackets, you have 4 holes. Therefore, you're going to require a couple more fasteners. I marked the holes. I'm good to go. I'm going to go ahead and drill some pilot holes, and then we're going to get those fasteners. So these are straight holes that you have on the back of that you have on the Freedom. They are not countersunk because they're not designed to be flush with the countertop. So you can go ahead and just drill these right into the back of the framing, just like that. Take your level, double check everything looks good. Should be good to go. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. For more product information and made in the United States innovation, go ahead and visit us at federalbrace.com, and we'll see you next time.